the environmental seals are secured, finalizing the material routing decision before pre-processing commences. Check the readout on the laser alignment, making sure it is calibrated.
It is within the sub-millimeter limit. Proceeding with the adjustment.
The specialized fasteners are individually scanned for material consistency and physical size, ensuring readiness for the integration phase of Process B.
The transfer is complete. Check the seals on the T-50 molds.
Seals confirmed. Engaging the locking mechanism.
Confirming green status on the forward sensors.
Reading matches. Proceed to lockdown.
The digital display locks onto the target pressure of 8 atmospheres while the temperature continues its controlled ascent toward the...
A high-resolution thermal camera feed displays the black carbon fiber layups inside the autoclave, showing the uniform... The specialized sensor confirms zero fluctuation in the 8 atmospheres of pressure, critical for preventing delamination in the composite panels. A highly accurate, multi-axis robotic drilling system uses specialized diamond-tip tools to create precision fastener holes. The laser etching confirms the panel's origin, cure cycle parameters, and final QC clearance, ensuring full traceability. The solvent evaporates instantly, leaving a perfectly prepared surface texture for the aerospace-grade epoxy adhesive.
Hold position, lowering slowly. Copy that, watching the starboard side clearance. Looks good, bring it down another meter.
Specialized heat blankets are secured over the bonded joints, initiating the localized thermal cycle.
Specialized robotic systems install titanium and composite fasteners through pre-drilled holes. The fasteners provide
Check the routing on harness 7. Make sure it matches the product B schematic.
Confirmed. Tension is within limits.
Aligning section 4, are the vacuum seals holding? Seals are green. Position looks good.
Data confirms integration step B complete.
Process B alignment sequence initiated. Monitor hydraulic pressure.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance. Green light for coupling.
The massive integrated fuselage section moves into a specialized sealed application booth, where sophisticated robotic sprayers
The sensor array scans the fuselage, verifying the precise thickness of the radar-absorbent coating.
Systems check on product B is complete. All parameters nominal.
Confirmed. Ready for integration.
Make sure the seam is fully sealed right here. Got it. Securing the final buckle now.
Scan confirmed. Package integrity green.
Control, this is gate. Movement authorized. Open the gate.
Bay 3, clear the gantry area. We are ready for the laser calibration now.
Diagnostics complete. All systems nominal.
The targeting array is fully operational.
Excellent. Finalize the report for the flight line.
Ground checks complete on Raptor 001. All panels green. Ready for engine start.